so you take out the door lock actuator easier. From here, push from the latch and your actuator unlatch that little notch right here, and your actuator should come out like so. From here, undo the cables that are connected to the actuator. And it should come out just like that. Right there. From here, there's going to be one bolt here holding a shield, a white plastic shield on your actuator. Undo that with the Phillips. That plastic shield comes off. Just like that. And from here, there's going to be two bolts holding, or two screws holding the housing for your motor itself. Undo the two screws for it. Set it on the side like so. Take that out of the clip right here. Turn it up, and this little cable is bent, so you gotta turn it up like that and pull out. From here, you would have to get a blade of some sort and crack open the part right here. Since I've taken it out before, it comes off like so. Just like that. That's going to be the inside of your housing. Here. Use a little flathead or a little pick. Pop the motor out. And it should come out just like that. You could take this out of the housing, and this is the gear I was talking about. This what the gear puller come in handy. Yes, on eBay, look up motor gear puller, and it'll come up a Wakra motor gear puller for about 12 bucks, I think. Slide your plate on there like so, then put your motor on like that. Pick the right thimble for the motor gear puller, then screw it in the hole to match. Here's the old gear from the old motor. From the old motor itself. This one is still work, but I'm just doing a video. So you use this, put it on your new one. Bring it to the side and just lightly tap it in there. I'm gonna use this brick. Measure how deep it should be from your old motor, and you should match it up quite nicely with your new one. That's about snug, right about there. On your housing, wipe down your connections right here and here. From here, stick back the little screw it came off of. Slip it in like so. Have this going down towards the two notches that connect to the motor itself. Slip the bottom in first. until you hear that click, and it should be good. Make sure it's tight down. Put back your housing. From here, I think glue is not necessary since we have the 2 screws right here already. Make sure you put it back in the right spots for the cable. Flip it like so. Put it back into your cable. Your cable is pretty flexible, so you can work with it. Now make sure you get these clips right. The bottom one clips into this notch down here, and the top notch clicks into this ball right here. Make sure you get that right or your door will not open. There you go, just like so. As you can tell, this is for the door handle that moves that ball right there to your motor. From here, screw back the 2 little screws that you got earlier from taking it out. And we're done with the motor gear puller. Alright, to reassemble it, it's quite easy. Stick it in this way up front. Put your cables up top into their old original place. Have this pointing up while you're slipping your actuator in. When you got it halfway in, like so, whenever you pull your cables out. Now, plug them back in. Hear that click. Have the 2 cables that go to your door up to your door handles, and have this, your latch, come and match up with all the holes. From here, I'm gonna stick the 3 screws that go in there. Now we're gonna put the guide to the track. Here, come get this. We're gonna fit it back to that rubber casing it was going out of side of. The rubber casing, there's tracks on it, so it will slip right in. Use your 10mm and tighten it up snug. Alright, from here we're going to put back the door handle like so. How I like to do mine. Have both of the cables coming out of it first. Undo the battery so it won't play with you while you're putting the door handles back. Just remove it like so. Get your door handle again. Put it in sideways like this. And clip it down. Then you turn back your door handle like so. And push the clip up like that. Put your hands through this and clip it back into the spot. Just like so.